Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right in. Here we go, part two. Got a majority of this dug up. Yes, with shovel, wheelbarrow. It's been a muddy mess. Been putting a lot of dirt there, some dirt over here. And then right now it's kind of hard to see. I actually got a section of pipe out over here. Then there's more here. And I think it comes to about here and it makes a turn. I dug out an area here just to be able to put the pump in. Because I've been digging here. This is actually down past the depth of what that pipe is currently sitting. And then I also dug another hole here. But I did that one out there first. So I dug a hole here. Basically, that was just in line with the pipe coming out. And then I didn't hit nothing. I went down plenty deep enough. Water started to come filling in the hole because obviously we're still saturated with all the snow and rain and stuff. We have more rain coming tomorrow, unfortunately. But then I went ahead and dug another hole here. Same thing. I went down quite a ways. It is enough to where the water is starting to fill in the hole. And I still did not hit the pipe. So I came in and started digging this out a little more. And there is, right underneath this water, right around here, is a coupling. So obviously the pipe goes in and it touches the coupling. I don't know if it was just adding on to that pipe, but I'm going to go ahead and let this water clear out just a little bit. Let a lot of stuff settle down to the bottom. That way I can use, because this is just a little half horsepower. I don't even think it's half, but just a little submersible pump. And you can see down here at the bottom, it keeps wanting to clog and all those fun things. And because it's doing all that, right, we kind of let the water settle just a little bit, get it cleaned out. So obviously I already have this dug out plenty deep enough. I'll probably come back in here and lay some rocks down at the bottom for whenever we put in our new line. But if this line is curving and going out that direction, I would prefer it not to do that, but I don't know what it's doing or how this is actually connected. I don't even think it goes to a distribution box. I think it's just this pipe here that's just going, and then it eventually probably connects into a leach type line that's allowing it to go in. So if it's going out that way, that's going to be bad news, because this right here, we're trying to put in eventually a roadway. And then in this area here is going to be the gathering house. So yeah, which I don't know. We might even move the gathering house over this way. But we'll see what happens with that. But anyway, yeah. Still playing in poo water in the mud. So let me get this settled out, and then we'll bring you right back. And once again, here we are. Another day of rain. Got a muddy mess. But that's basically how far we got into this adventure. So yes, I already know that I need to replace the pipe coming out of the tank. So getting that dug up, doing the best we can, trying to get that pipe followed out to see how far it goes. If it even goes to a distribution box, I don't know. Or if it just goes out to a single line that ends up going out there to a rock pit or anything. I don't know. I really don't know. But as of right now, obviously the biggest thing that we need to get done is have this tank emptied out, cleaned out, inspected really well. Eventually, plus I would like to talk to them to say, hey, is this tank going to be viable for our family to be able to utilize in the future? And just have them come out and say, yes, it will work, or no, it won't work. And then our plans forward But before that can happen, obviously we have to get the service out here to come and clean the tank and inspect it and look at it. Obviously that costs money, all those things. Well, I want to go ahead and share that out. You guys have already heard on our live Sunday that we had an anonymous donation. Well, we know who it is, but they wanted to remain anonymous and such. We thank you. We thank you. We thank you. We got a donation of a significant amount to be able to get this tank cleaned, and still, have funds available to get parts required. It probably won't be, to cover 100% of it, but oh my goodness gracious, you guys, we are so thankful. Thank you. You know who you are, that sent us that donation to get this fixed, because I'm telling you, it's it's a headache. Yeah, it's a headache, and this is just a stepping stone to getting all of this fixed. My glasses keep wanting to fall down, and I'm trying to hold coffee, but we do thank you very much. And this journey to our septic getting fixed is on its way. It's on its way, and we are so thankful for our followers, for our subscribers, for our family. Without you guys, we can't do this, because we are on a very tight limited budget until the middle of the year. That belt on our budget gets loosened up a little bit, because, like I said, I'm still financially obligated to my ex, and that does end this year. So, but until then, we're doing what we can with what we have, and it's Gladys actually started to cry a little bit last night whenever I showed her the message. So, but we thank you. Continue to follow the journey. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and just know that we are very thankful, and we thank you. And just other than that, another video here you guys can check out. We have the playlist on this side to continue to follow this amazing journey. Can't do it without you guys. Oh my goodness. Last but not least, always think of veteran at every chance you get. Not only on Veterans Day. We'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all. Man, so thankful. Love you.